Well, the market, I think, for opportunistic investing is a good one. We've had, I think we're still very early on in the deleveraging process in Europe. The banks, I think, are accelerating their disposals in terms of loan and and the recapitalization process, I think, is accelerating, if anything. We've seen this to an extent coming. We're in the market now raising EPISO 3, which is the third value-add opportunistic fund. That's going pretty well. We have a €750 million target for that, and we're about 2/3 of the way through that fundraising. So we're pushing on with that, and I think the opportunity is playing out as we expected. No, I mean the investment opportunity, I think, has moved on over the last 6 months. I don't think it's changed. We're still focused very much on Northern Europe and the core markets of Germany, France, UK, the Nordics as well. We focus on those markets that have distress. I think Germany and the UK is a good example of that. There's a lot of deleveraging going. We focus on those markets where there is a very polarized investment view between what is core and what is non-core, and I think where you're able to invest in those non-core assets, there's an opportunity to shift those back into the core market. We focus on those markets which have the deepest liquidity, so France, the UK, Germany are examples of that. We're very much a situational investor. We're looking for situations where we can take something and de-risk it, looking for the opportunity to try and extract value through our investment process and put it back into the market. So, the market is maybe a little more difficult to find opportunities than it was 6 or 12 months ago. Certainly for those assets which are closest to core. I think we were able to buy 2 years ago assets which had high quality physical assets which had leasing challenges. Those assets were ignored largely by the core market. I think the core investor has widened out what it wants to buy. But that just throws up other opportunities. I think as the core investor looks at a wider range of assets, then our ability to sell back into that grows commensurately.